Hi guys! In this video, we're going to blend some sounds and read some words with the th sound and also the sound. Okay? Both sounds are made when the th letters are written near each other. Okay? So let's start. M, o, th, moth. Th, I, k as in clock, thick. Th, I, n, thin. Th, I, n, k, think. Th, a, n, d, e, r, thunder. Th, e, r, m, o, s, thermos. B, r, o, t, broth. K, l, o, s, cloth. Okay, let's revise these words, guys. Okay, now I'm going to say the sounds and you try to blend the sounds and read the word, okay? M, o, th. Your turn. Good job. A moth is a kind of like a butterfly, but it tends to be brown. Next word. Th, I, k. Good job. A thick book. A book with many pages. Next word. Th, I, n. Good job. A thin book. A book with a few pages. This is a thick book and this is a thin book. Next word. Th, I, n, k. Good job. This man is thinking. Next word. Th, a, n, d, e, r. Good job. This was quite long. The thunder is the sound that it's a lightning. The sound that the lightning makes. Okay? Next word. Th, e, r, m, o, s, thermos. Good job. This is a thermos. A thermos is a flask, a container that keeps our water hot or even cold. Next word. B, r, o, s. Good job. Here we can see some delicious chicken broth, like soup. K, l, o, s, cloth. This is a piece of cloth. Good job, guys. Okay, now we're going to revise them one last time. And this time, you say the sounds and I will just listen, okay? Say the sounds and read the words. Let's start. Together. Good job. M, o, th, moth. Another word. Together. Good job, guys. Th, I, n, thin. Another word. Together. Great. Th, I, n, k, think. Okay, one last word. Come on. Together. Great job, guys. K, l, o, s, cloth. Great work. Okay, now we're going to take a look at some other words that have same th letters in it, but the th in these words, they have different sounds, okay? They have the sound d, okay? Let's take a look at them. D, e, m, them. I'm going to play with them. Another word. D, e, y, they. They are happy. Then. Then could mean two things. For example, here we can see the picture of then in the past, or then it could mean that, for example, first I'm going to the supermarket, then I'll come home. Okay, next word. K, L, O, T, I, G. Clothing. Here, guys, where we have the letter O, it is a little bit tricky. Why? Because here the letter O, it doesn't make the sound O, as in fog. But here it makes the sound like its name, O. We don't say clothing, we say clothing, okay? These are types of clothes. Clothes are things that we put on. Another word, that. That is a book. We use the word that to refer to one thing which is far away from us, okay? Next word. Okay, guys, that was the last word for the sound the. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to say the sounds myself and you say the word, okay? You read the word. Let's start. M. Good job. Next word. Y. Good job. N. Well done, guys. K, L, O, D, I, G. Well done. This was very long. T. Well done, guys. Okay, let's revise all the words that we have learned today, okay? Moth. Thick. Thin. Think. Thunder. Thermos. Broth. Cloth. Them. They. Then. Clothing. And the last word is that. Okay, guys, now to finish today's lesson, I prepared you an easy word search with the sound. Okay? The words are at the bottom here and we have to find them here in this word search. Okay? Let's start. Let's see. Oh, I found one. Look, guys. We have they. Yes. Oh, I found another one, guys. We have thin. Let's see. I found cloth. Look, guys. Let's see. Yeah, I found another one. That. Oh, another one. I'm super good at this. Think. Now, let's see. Yes, look, I have thick here. Can you see, guys? And them. And we have also sloth. Look, guys, sloth. So I just need to highlight the S, L, and C. Let's see. Oh, guys, look! I also have moth. So let's take a look at the word search. I think I have found them all. Thick, moth, thin, they, that, think, them, sloth. Yeah. Try it yourself if you want. I will upload the document in my Facebook group. Okay? Bye, guys.